Most people think that once you get your mortgage broker license in Ontario, you're ready to go. The truth, that license is just your ticket to the starting line. What really matters, the part that nobody sees, is everything that happens behind the scenes. When I first got my license, it felt like a big win. To get there, you take courses, learn the rules, study ethics, and pass an exam. Then you register with FISRA, the regulator. That's the official stamp saying, yes, you can legally broker mortgages. But here's the thing, the license only gives you the minimum. It doesn't teach you how to handle self employed clients with complex income or how to guide a nervous first time buyer through the process. It doesn't show you how to build relationships with lenders or realtors. That part, that's where the real work begins. As I stepped into the field, I quickly realized that the best brokers weren't just following steps, they were problem solvers. They knew dozens of lender products inside and out. They could explain complicated financial terms in plain English. They were skilled negotiators who didn't just submit applications, they advocated for their clients. Behind every approval was hours of analyzing documents, checking compliance rules, and matching people with solutions that fit their lives. It wasn't textbook learning anymore, it was real life. The mortgage world never stands still. Interest rates change, new stress tests appear, and regulation shifts. That means if you want to stay relevant, you never stop learning. For me, that meant going to industry events, investing in certifications, and building expertise in areas like private lending and refinancing strategies. Every training session, every update from FISRA, every workshop, it all adds up to tools in my toolbox. And when the client calls with a challenge, that knowledge makes all the difference. Behind the numbers and the paperwork, this business is really about people. Building trust with clients who may be anxious about the biggest purchase of their lives, working with realtors to make sure that the deals close smoothly, having relationships with banks, credit unions, and private lenders so that when a tough file comes in, I know exactly where to go. The license didn't teach me how to earn trust or how to pick up the phone and explain hard news with empathy. But those relationships, that's what keeps the business moving forward. Markets don't stay the same. One month, rates are climbing. The next month, the Bank of Canada is hinting at cuts. Rules around qualifying change. And clients, they look to us for clarity. That's why a broker has to act like a guide, not just a salesperson. You learn to adapt, to create solutions for unique situations, to teach clients and even realtor partners on how product really works. At the same time, you're running a business, building a brand, marketing yourself, staying visible, and leading with professionalism and ethics. So yes, getting licensed is important. It's the ticket to enter the field. But the truth is, the license is only step one. The real success comes from the learning you do every single day, the relationships you build, and the leadership you show in serving clients. Behind the scenes, being a mortgage broker isn't about paperwork. It's about dedication, growth, and helping people build their futures. That's what turns a license into a career.